guys, it's Nyra. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here, homegirl or homeboy. It's 2018. We inclusive around here. If you guys want to see how I did this really editorial, that's what I'm gonna call it, editorial, because I am what? A model. Speak it into existence. If you want to see how I did this really editorial blue glossy lid, just keep on watching. Don't forget to head on over to my Instagram and follow, leave me likes, leave me comments, DM me. I love talking to you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Actually, I'll see you in a few minutes, because in a few minutes y'all are gonna see me without makeup on, about to start. So I'll see you in like 5 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna start with priming my lids with some concealer. I'm gonna take concealer. That was not English. I want to take a concealer that's real light, so I'm gonna be going into one of the light shades from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in Deep. I can't breathe. That was a mouthful. We love smearing drogas on our eyelids. It is our favorite activity around here. I'm setting the prime with the LA Girl Pro Powder and Banana. Do y'all remember the show Bananas in Pajamas? And it was literally a kid's show about bananas in pajamas. I'm gonna go into this green shade and I'm gonna build that up in my crease. All right, I think I wanted to go into this blue, but I think I'm feeling this purpley blue. I think I'm gonna go ahead right here and put that. Do I want? No, I'm gonna stick with my instinct. I'm gonna go right here into this pretty old. Can y'all see that? In this pretty old blue. And I'm gonna put that on my crease and on my lid. Whoa! Hold up. Whoa! This pigment actually just slapped me in my face. So congratulations, Morphe, you have a lawsuit for assault. This pigment, yo. Man,
push me to the end, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing at the bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here.
Now I'm just like blending out and like dragging out the edges of this so we don't have like any harsh lines. Wow. Oh my god, this is like way too pretty. I'm gonna put the gloss on last because, like, from what I've heard, I've never done a glossy lid look, but from what I've heard, it doesn't say glossy forever, so I don't want the gloss to wear off before I'm finished with the, you know, like the whole look. Now I'm gonna clean up my brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Let me ask y'all a real question. Like I need help with something for real. How do y'all, like, y'all know how people that put like a bunch of concealer under their eyebrows and they blend it down and like make it like to carve out their brows and to prime their lids like at once, but how do y'all blend all that concealer out? No matter what concealer I use to clean my brows, if I put too much and try to like pull it down, it is not happening. Like, I look crazy. Like, if I put too much concealer under my brow, things get nasty and ugly real fast. So do I just, and you know what, I usually don't, I don't know, maybe I'm not using the correct brush. Like, maybe I'm not using a good enough blending brush when I do it, but I have to clean my brows like this, like with a little bit of concealer, or else things get real bad. So if anybody's good at that, or like you watch a YouTuber that's good at that, somebody help, because I tried to watch all the videos, I tried to take all the tips. I don't know, like I just don't know what I'm doing, which is like with me with most things in life. Like, I pretty much never know what I'm doing, you know what I mean? Like, this just turned into like a midlife crisis, like an awakening, like a mental breakthrough. Like, I never know what I'm doing. For foundation, I'm going to take the Milani Concealer in Perfect, and I'm going to put that all over my face. When I'm not doing eyeshadow, I do foundation first, because if you do foundation before anything else, you know for a fact you're not going to get a halo brow. My new thing, because I hate how long it takes to apply foundation, is using the little stippling brush and blending it in, and then going back with my beauty blender, because let's be honest, there's no blend like a beauty blender blend. So I use the brush first just to easily disperse it everywhere, and then I go back over real quick with the beauty blender to make sure everything is flawlessly blended in. I'm taking the same concealer, my holy girl, my baby girl, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm using the shade Almond. If anybody is close to my skin tone and you want to know what a good shade is. I'm taking this, you know, on the sides of my nose to get that witchcraft nose snatchery. I still don't understand, like, I don't know, maybe I'm just not that bright with everything, because your girl's intelligent, but some stuff I just don't get. Like, I don't necessarily, I'm also not a very artsy person. I suck at art. You wouldn't be able to tell because I'm good at makeup, but like, as far as like drawing and like creating shadows and highlights and stuff, terrible. Like, Picasso would throw up if he saw something I tried to draw. So I don't understand how bringing the highlight closer to your nose helps snatch your nose the way that it does, but it does, and who am I to complain about it, you know? I love to spray my beauty blender with, I'm so dumb, I can't find the hole. I love to spray my beauty blender with setting spray before I blend out my concealer, so that my concealer is not dry, and it makes sure that you don't need as much powder when you go to set your concealer. Did I really just sniffle like that? Oh my god. Now I'm gonna sweep on over the places that I highlighted the LA Girl Pro Powder again and Banana. Let me hear you say this. It's bananas.
Alright. So now I'm gonna clean off my brush and do the same with this eye. Okay, this is a pleasant.
I'm really feeling what I got. I'm really feeling this. Oh my god. I'm so cute. I'm not gonna do lashes with this look because lashes will cover all this blue. I'm just gonna use my Better Than Sex mascara. Do a lazy contour today. I don't really feel like contouring a bunch, so I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. blush and bronzer duo that I use in every single video. That's not a joke. That's not a joke. I use this bronzer in every makeup video. I'm gonna take that to bronze and contour. I'm going in with my e.l.f. cream blush palette, also the only blush that I use. I just really love e.l.f. face products. I'm not going to put on too much blush because obviously blush is like a pink or peachy tones, and I have blue eyeshadow, so we don't want too much to conflict on my face. I say all the time though, I have a hard time, like, you know, telling myself to chill out with the blush. I have a really hard time because I love blush. I'm taking this e.l.f. gloss. It's like one of those push-up brow glosses, you know, like you gotta. Then I'm taking the Better Than Sex mascara. Now, I've never seen anyone do a glossy lid. I think I have maybe once, but I don't remember exactly how it was done. So let's see if I can do this without, you know, ruining what I just did. I'm gonna need to use a brush to help me. I need assistance, help, or somebody help me. I gotta clean up online too. Oh, I gotta clean up online too. Somebody help me. I can make accent jokes, okay? I'm Hispanic. Oh my god. I feel like a model. Oh yes, go off, sis.
I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me.
Y'all, I'm feeling like really risky. I think I want to do something I don't ever do. I'm afraid afraid to say this, but I think I'm gonna touch my lower lash line. This rando black liner and put it on my lower lash line / waterline. I don't know the difference between my lower lash line and my waterline, and if you know the difference, you're a weirdo. Like, it's never that deep.
If I could see the words, I could see you faking. If you could see my thoughts, you would see your faces. Safe in my rental, like an army truck back then. We didn't give a fuck back then. I ain't a kid, no.
It's fun. It's fun. It's for children that want to be grown without their parents seeing, so they know they can get that app.
A Musical.ly app, okay? You have to tag me. The only way that I'll see the contest submissions is if you use the hashtag life is a runway. Once again, all you have.
That'll be the time I spray setting spray. Hold on, my Cupid's bow is bare.
I thought that I was dreaming. You said you loved me.
Lips alone. So we're gonna go bare lip on this one. I don't feel bad about not needing a lip for this look.
Stop staring at me.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like and a comment down below about what other looks you want to see me, you know, serve for y'all. Let me know what you thought about this look, about this video. Just let's chat, okay? I like to talk, obviously. Hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram is poppin'. Go to my